Long ago, beside a wide blue sea, there was a small fishing village. Every
Wait for me. No matter how strong the waves are, I will come back.
I will wait. I will wait. Hear me!
From that day on, the bird stayed by the sea.
Whenever fishermen saw the bird before sailing, they believed it was a sign of protection and safe return. And so, the wave-watching bird was born. True love waits. True loyalty.
Thanks for watching this magical Vietnamese tale. If you loved it, hit like and subscribe to Viet Wonder Stories for more unexpected legends.